model, 2008 Ford Transit 2.4 TDCi 100PS 350L long wheelbase, van. Best engines in the Transit game. Yuck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 117725. Engine, 2401 cc TDCi 100PS DURATORQ. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Crankshaft pulley will need replacing shortly, engine sounds fine. Will need a bit of work, MOT work, to get back onto the road. Cheap as chips for the price and mileage. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van.